So let's start out with box number 1 in the top left. And East has this hand in the middle. Okay, that's going to be your hand. Now I do have the answers on the screen. I realize this. This exercise is to show you the thought process, what you want to be thinking about in choosing your opening lead and how this number rule fits in. So we're going to have this East hand. We're going to have 4 different auctions. And then we're going to have 4 different leads. We're going to lead each one of these suits based on the auction that we hear. That's why listening to that auction is so important. So let's start with the top left. And the auction goes 1 no trump, all pass. And you've got East hand. So you review the auction. 1 no trump, all pass. Now I do want to make a point that when you're reviewing the auction in your head, on BBO it's super cool because you can click on the contract box and the auction comes up. It's beautiful. Even in the middle of the hand, you can click on the contract box and the auction comes up. You don't ever have to ask for a review. So first thing I do is review, and I include all the passes. I include all the passes before the bid, after the bid. In this case, it went 1-0, all pass. And then I do my number rule. Now, what number rule are we using for this hand? We're using 14, 17, or 19. Ask yourself, did I hear an invitational bid here? North showed 15 to 17 total points. And South didn't make a move, didn't invite, didn't bid statement, didn't show any kind of values. So I would count this as a minimum auction and use the rule of 19. All right, so let's see what partners' approximate points we have. He says 1 point in spades, and 5 points in diamonds, and 4 points in clubs. So, all right, so 10 high card points. And we're subtracting from 19. Which gives partner approximately 9 points. Now, I don't know about you, but psychologically, this lets me know I'm not in this by myself. I've got a partner over there that has just as many points, approximately just as many points as I have. And it's a race to 7 tricks, right? North-south, declarer needs 7 tricks to make 1 no trump. And as defenders, we need 7 tricks to beat declare. So it's a race to 7. And we have half the deck. We realize, wow, look at this. Our opponents might have 19 and we might have 21. Our opponents might have 21 and we have 19. We might have 20 and 20, right? It's possible. Any one of those combinations are possible. So there are chances of setting this hand. So then we take out all the bid suits, no bid suits. So we have a choice of all 4 suits. And we look for our longest suit. Here we have 2 equal length suits. One's a major, one's a minor. So we're going to choose the major over the minor. And then we choose the card within the suit. What we're doing with this exercise here is getting through the thought process of choosing the actual suit. Here we choose the 10 of hearts because it's the top of a sequence. And we're going to look at sequence leads in this class.